Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the June ZoBag to unbox and review in this video. It's priced at just Rs 5.99 plus 24 shipping, but you can use the code ZOSONAM to get free shipping. And this month again the bag is amazing because there are some products from some of my favorite brands like PLUM, etc. So I am super excited. Let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. It says ZoBag, India's wellness destination. So inside we have this huge pouch or bag and it's quite pretty as well. It's a cloth material and I really like the pattern on it. It's huge, so it's gonna be perfect to carry all your toiletries and huge skincare products on any of your longer trips or travel vacations. It says ZoBag here and the material is quite nice. It's a bit shiny too. Here are all the products. Some are bubble wrapped as well. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product and the star product in my opinion is this product from PLUM. It's a full size of 200 ml and this is a body lotion Sweet Fondo in the variant vanilla and fig. You have the choice of variant in this. There are 3 variants to choose from and you can choose even before placing the orders, which is amazing. Cost of this product is 425 rupees. Used before is 12/2019 and here are all the details about the product. I don't need to say that PLUM is one of the best brands out there. I love their products. They are so nice and soothing and their fragrance is good. We had received their shower gel last month in ZoBag and with this body lotion it becomes the perfect combo. It has a very nice pump packaging, very convenient to use. So this is how the product color and consistency is. It has a very light peach color, gets absorbed immediately into skin and I love it. The fragrance is amazing. It has a nice fruity fragrance, mostly like vanilla mixed with something more sweet and rusty. I'm so happy to have this product in a subscription box. There are very few subscription boxes which actually include brands like PLUM. So definitely a big thumbs up to ZoBag for adding them. Then we have another brand which is very rare in subscription boxes but a really good organic brand. So this is the BIOTIQUE Botanicals Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub for all skin types. A 75 gram full size. And what better scrub than a tan removal one during summertime. And this one, if you guys have used it before, you know this actually works quite well. I have used this product and I really like it. It is one of those scrubs which is not very expensive but really works amazing on my skin. I'm just showing all the details mentioned on the box. Price is $199 and expiry is 3 years from manufacture. So it will be 5/2020. It is a sealed pack. It's sealed from both the sides. So really good product to add during summertime. Tan is one of the major concerns during summertime. Even if you're someone who is not concerned about the complexion, tan actually makes your skin look very dull and kind of without any glow to it. So this is actually something that works pretty well for that. Then next we have a soap from the brand Aster Luxury Bar. It's an activated charcoal handmade bar of 125 grams, luxurious and soothing. Here are the ingredients mentioned. It has activated charcoal powder, essential oil, saponified extra virgin oil of coconut and refined glycerin. So very simple and good ingredients list. Price is 200 rupees and more details are mentioned here. It's a cruelty-free product and manufactured in 9/2017. Best before is 24 months, so it will be till 9/2019. This is how the soap bar looks like a basic black color bar. Smells very refreshing. I love the fragrance. Well, activated charcoal is one of those wonder ingredients that really pulls all the dirt from inside your pores and makes your skin very clear. So I really like this product and the fragrance is just superb. Then we have another product which has activated bamboo charcoal and this is a peel off mask. I am already happy with this. It's from the brand Equinox Beauty Redefined. Price is $299 and here are the key ingredients mentioned. Best before 24 months from manufacturing and net weight is 60 grams. This is how the product looks like. I am sure it's gonna be amazing. I love peel off masks, especially the charcoal ones. This has a very nice fragrance too, so I'm totally looking forward to trying this out. I love that ZoBag actually adds in different brands and unique brands, and the brands that I know are amazing brands. So it's a very good combination of new brands and really good, well and trusted brands. So I really like that part about ZoBag. The next we have a product from Fuchsia, a very well-known brand in subscription boxes especially. This is a crystal rose bath salt. Ingredients are mentioned here, 50 gram full size, and cost is 250 rupees. Best before 24 months from July 2017 to it will expire in July 2019. This is how the product looks like. Smells really good. I have already used this product and it really makes my bathing experience so luxurious and aromatic, like having a spa. If you have a bathtub, this is the best to use with a bathtub, but you can even use it with a bucket of water, or you can soak your feet with this water. So overall, I love this product. It's very relaxing, so I do like using bath salts. I love the way they smell and the way they look as well, so I'm definitely happy with that. Next we have a rose water here, which is body and perfume spray, refreshing spray mist. So this is a basic rose water that you can use as a toner, as a facial mist. It's a 100 ml full size that comes in a spray bottle packaging, which is very good. Price is quite affordable, just 70 rupees, and best before 10/2018, so we do have to use it a bit soon. But anyways, I'm going to use it up within the summer months. Key ingredients have rosemary oil, kush extracts, and water base. How to use is mentioned here. You can also use this to mix your powder face packs or to make any kind of face pack DIYs and all. You can use it to refresh your skin. So there are many ways to use. Rose water is very versatile. So I'm not going to explain that further. So here are all the skincare products. We already have a lot of products, but we are not done yet. Moving to the makeup section, we have a product from Blue Heaven, and this is a ICU mascara and eyeliner, a 2-in-1 product. You have 7.5 ml of mascara and 2.5 ml eyeliner, which is more than enough. It's smudge proof, extra black and waterproof, unique combo pack. So you are getting 2 makeup products as well, and very essential and useful makeup products. Price is affordable, just 135 rupees, used before 4/2021. And here are more details about the product. I have used Blue Heaven kajal and lip crayons, and they were of extremely good quality, even though I did not expect them to have. So I'm definitely excited about this product. Being 2-in-1, it's very travel friendly. You can put it in your handbag if you're going to office or college to touch up. And I'm definitely happy with this. It is like getting 2 products from makeup section as well. So this is how it is. It has this mascara section and this eyeliner section. So if you open it here, you have the eyeliner, and if you open from here, this is how the mascara wand looks like. Looks pretty good to me. I am definitely happy about this product. Let's see how this works out. And finally, we have a personal hygiene product, and again a full size. We have got all full size products this month, and this is from Everteen Natural Intimate Wash. Feel fresh and clean entire day. Here are some more details. It's soap, SLS and SLES free. pH balanced, 105 ml bottle. Here are all details about the product, and here are the claims of the product. Here it says what is the importance and how this product is useful. Cost is 180 rupees and manufactured in May 2018, very freshly, and used before 24 months. This is how the full size bottle looks like. I have received so many samples of this product, but getting a full size is definitely much more useful, because samples are some things that you carry on trips, and this is something that you can actually use at home. So no need to buy anything as such. So these are all the products in the June ZoBag, and don't you think there are so many products at a price tag of just $5.99? And we have some amazing products. The product selection is really good this month. We have 2 products with activated charcoal. I love that. We have kind of 2-in-1 makeup product, which is like getting 2 products. We have a very versatile rose water, a personal hygiene product, and two amazing products from two amazing brands. I love this scrub from BIOTIQUE and PLUM products. Do I need to say anything about PLUM products? You guys know that they are one of the best products in market today. So I'm extremely happy with this month's curation and this month's bag. I will surely recommend trying this out. We have got this info card as well. It says the June ZoBag, and here are all the products mentioned. So if you want, you can go through them one by one. We have all full size products and the total worth is 1723 rupees. All of these products are from brands which are not highly priced. They are like genuinely priced, so the total worth might not seem extremely high compared to the bag price like we see in some of the subscription boxes. But if you actually look at the products you are receiving for 599, you would definitely be happy and you would definitely want to order this box. If not for anything, you should get the box for the PLUM product. I actually liked everything, so I will give this box a big thumbs up and will totally recommend trying it out. If you guys are interested in buying, then all details are mentioned in the description box below along with a direct link to this June bag. So make sure you check it out. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.